Understanding check-in online. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase in English, check-in online. This is a term you might encounter while traveling, booking hotels, or even attending events. So, let's dive into its meaning and use to make your experiences smoother and more enjoyable. Check-in online refers to the process of confirming your attendance or presence for a service or event via the internet, rather than in person. This is commonly used in the context of air travel and hotel bookings. When you check in online, you typically provide necessary details like your name, booking reference, and sometimes select preferences. When it comes to air travel, online check-in usually opens 24 to 48 hours before your flight. Here's how you can do it. 1. Visit the airline's website or use their mobile app. 2. Enter your booking details. This includes your booking reference and last name. 3. Choose your seat. Depending on the airline, you might be able to select your seat. 4. Add any extras. This could be meals, extra baggage, etc. 5. Receive your boarding pass. You can often download it to your phone or print it out. There are several benefits to checking in online. Saves time. Avoid long queues at the airport. Convenience. Do it from anywhere with internet access. Seat selection. Get a better chance of choosing your preferred seat. Peace of mind. Know you're all set before you even leave for the airport. Similar to flights, many hotels offer the option to check in online. This can be done via their website or app, usually a day before your arrival. It's a quick way to confirm your arrival time, update personal details, and sometimes even choose your room. I hope this video helps clarify what check-in online means and how you can use it to make your travels more efficient and stress-free. Remember, this handy tool is all about saving time and giving you control over your travel plans. Happy traveling and see you in our next lesson.